Hi everyone, welcome to Homeopathy TSKM channel. Today we are going to look into mind rubrics part 4. First mind rubric is daydreaming. Meaning of this rubric is a dream-like fantasy experienced while awake, especially of the fulfillment of hopes. Disease conditions related to this rubric are such as schizophrenia, depression, behavioral disorder in children, drug abuse, and personality disorder. Important drugs are such as coffea cruda, elapse, phosphorus, sanguinara, and sulfur. Second rubric is deceitful. Meaning of this rubric is inclined to cheat or deliberately mislead. It means by nature a patient tries to commit fraud or gives a false witness in court, or the person is disposed to deceive everyone. Disease conditions related to this rubric are such as personality disorder and schizophrenia. Important drugs are such as arsenic, belladonna, and lachesis. Third rubric is defiant. Meaning of defiant is bold resistance to an opposing force or authority. Explanation for this rubric is here it is a part of the person's nature to defy normal rules and regulations and warnings. Such person will only do whatever they think is best, irrespective of what others say. Disease conditions related to this rubric are such as antisocial personality disorder, mania, and schizophrenia. Important drugs are such as arnica, causticum, china, ignatia, and lycopodium. Fourth rubric is deliberate. Meaning of deliberate is careful and thorough in deciding or determining. It means a person's nature to deliberately perform a function whose actions are planned and balanced well in advance. Disease conditions are such as personality disorder, anxiety disorder, phobias, and obsessive compulsive disorder. Important drugs are such as Berita-Carb and bryonia. Fifth rubric is delirium tremens. Meaning for this rubric is an acute delirium caused by alcohol poisoning. Disease condition related to this rubric is such as acute alcohol intoxication and alcohol withdrawal states. Important drugs are such as agaricus, antimonium tart, arnica, arsenic, and belladonna. These are the mind rubrics for today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to Homeopathy TSKM channel. Thank you for watching this video and see you all in the next video. Thank you.